San Francisco Community Health Center is a unique and special place in that it's how the world should be.
You can have a family here that will help you be the person that you want to be, maximizing it and just spreading your wings like butterfly.
When anyone walks through our doors at any of our locations, we invite them to be their true, authentic self.
Hundreds of people come through here weekly, if not daily.
The members of the agency as a whole have this shared heart, helping people achieve what should be the standard level of good health and wellness.
So imagine if there was a SFCHC in every neighborhood. We'd probably see a lot more people thriving.
What we've done at San Francisco Community Health Center is actually think about health in the broadest sense. Having a vision for community that is big and so radically inclusive.
Most of our clients are used to, showing up to an emergency room or a medical clinic and leaving feeling like pretty ashamed. For some people, healthcare is finding a space where you can come and be loved and supported so that you believe that you have a sense of value and reason to live.
We know that healthcare is about a medical visit. It's about seeing your doctor. Healthcare also is being welcomed into our waiting room and feeling comfortable and safe.
SFCHC is kind of like a grounding place where people can come eat, get off the street, talk to someone.
Can I come inside from the rain for a couple of hours till I figure out, what I'm gonna do for the evening? The space where they can try to grab as much peace as possible.
How can you expect someone to sit through a medical visit when they don't have clean clothes or they haven't eaten something?
Healthcare, I feel, is sharing in a journey with someone, and there are successes and failures and everything in between.
You can tell that moment when somebody feels understood, the look in their eyes and their body language.
There's this old view of medicine that I tell you what to do and you'll be healthy if you listen to me. The work we do with many of the programs that we are rolling out asks patients, what are your barriers? It asks patients, what are your strengths?
Anything you can do to make someone's load a little lighter.
If they miss an appointment, it's not a big deal. They're late. Let's meet for 20 minutes. We have to make things easier for people so that they reach for us when they are ready and we're there.
We allow for people to do better.
Sometimes all people need is just some support and momentum in a new direction.
Personally, what I want as a transgender woman living with HIV and currently transitioning right now is just to exist.
There is a threat at the federal level to our trans community members that they will be erased.
I at least first took an oath to do no harm. Care for trans and gender diverse patients is life-saving, and to feel compelled to withdraw that care in some way is harm from neglect.
Taking away access to hormones, gender-affirming care, resources that can help catapult someone's journey reaching their authentic self would be just plain cruel.
A lot of our therapists are transgender or gender nonconforming folks themselves. They're here kind of holding space for clients who are having those same fears and experiences.
I fear what worse would look like for San Francisco and the nation as a whole, which is why it's so important that agencies like San Francisco Community Health Center exist.
We need to have a safe place, a home for trans, gender nonconforming folks. Undocumented folks don't have to forego basic preventative care and vaccines and to just have the same joys that all of us have I just don't see any way around it but to fight for them in this moment. And not to just do no harm, but help our communities survive and weather through this storm to a brighter future. For all of us.
We are going to ensure that the rights, the freedoms, who we are, is never compromised.
Now is the moment to double down.
Fight with us, fight alongside us. There are many ways to do that. Voices matter, resources matter.
The way to win a fight against us is to actually live happily and fully and freely, because that's not what everyone wants for us.
We did not come out of the closet just to be pushed back inside. They throw lemons at us, we make lemonades. They throw brick at us, we throw the brick back at them.
We're in the fight for our lives in this moment. And it's gonna take everything, it's gonna take everyone, it's gonna take all of us to ensure that we have the fuel and the resources that we need to stay in that fight. It's not gonna be easy, but we're not backing down. And together, we're gonna win.